Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what we have here. We have a door, and we have a big space under it, and we want to get rid of that space. We have this here. This is like a door sweep here that we put on there. And I'll show you guys how this works. I got it opened up here, and it's super easy. It's just a little plastic thing here, and we're going to tape it on, and then it'll just roll along the side of the bottom of the door, so it'll keep the air in and out as you need it. So let's see if we open this up here. It's got a nice apparatus here. I will just show you guys how it works, how simple it is. So I'm going to pick it up at about the door level here, and there it is. I need to cut the other end off early, but there you go. And check it out. So there you go. Push it on. Now it's on there. Look at that. So now, as I close my door, it's going to keep it nice and airproof. So if we have a draft coming in from outside, like this one here is a bathroom, we don't want the air to go in and out of because it'll be outside there. You see, I don't know. But so this is going to keep our air nice and toasty inside and cool outside. So sweet. So super simple, easy thing, and that just makes it nice. Totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.